how I style my relaxed hair. I'm taking off my silk cap. I have some rollers in. I put some big ones and some small ones. I'm going to style my 4-day-old relaxed hair with rollers. Keep watching so you can see how I style it. Bouncy curls. These rollers are very easy to use, and I actually did it overnight. And the rollers are very, very easy to slip in. The bigger one. This is the bigger one. The bigger ones are more loose. The smaller ones are tighter. If you notice, this is a small one, it's tighter. This is a big one, it's more loose. And that's what I look for. I try to mix it up with the curls so I can have loose and I can have tight curls. So when I comb it, I have a combination of curls going on. But this is just 4-year-old and this is just 4 days old. And this is my bag of rollers. This is my bag of rollers. I have different size and different colors. So now I have all these curls. This is how they fall, see? They just fall the way they want to. So now I'm going to comb it out. But before I comb it out, I will do this with my fingers so you can see. I don't really need a comb, but I'll use a comb. This is what it looks like without me combing it out. I'll show you the back. So that's it. But I don't want all the lines in my hair, so I just take the comb and I just go through it like this. I'm not even combing it right out. I am just going through it just to make sure I don't have all these lines. Like I said, I'm not combing it out. I'm just passing the comb through it because I just want it to sit a certain way. And it will eventually fix itself to something else. You know what I mean? But I will style it like this today. And I can play with it if I want to more and more to change things if I want to. One thing with gray hairs, they don't care what you do when they decide to, they go wherever they want and I let them. But this is one of the hairstyles that I did today on my 4-day-old relaxer hair. Now, if I want to comb it through, I just do this. And I'll have this hairstyle. This is the side. This is the side. This is the back. So you can curl your hair once and every day just style it differently. So that was just two different ways I can wear it. I took a brush and brushed my hair and it took away all the parts that I had in my hair. This is the side. This is the side. And this is the back. So now I've created a different hairstyle, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you kindly. Please hype this video and remember, until I see you and you see me, life is important. The breath of life is important. Enjoy the journey. Bye. My relaxed hair.